Gemly, the nice play-to-earn game, which I actually wouldn't call a game because you don't have to play much of it at all in order to get some passive income in the form of fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, have now actually introduced a nice little 3% bonus when you actually do deposit funds into the game. Today on the Techo Guy, I'm going to go more in detail on that point, and I'll also be showing you my progression in the game. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into Gemly here, and here is my Gemly battle area, if you want to call it that, okay? So, Gemly, like I've shown you before in the previous videos, if you haven't seen them, be sure to check them out because I go in a lot of detail. But today I just want to bring to your attention that Gemly have now actually opened up something called, when you deposit, the bonus where you get actually 3% more gems if you actually do deposit. Now, I have to say this out loud, like usual, I am not a financial advisor and I am not giving you financial advice, so be sure to do your own research when investing in any type of play-to-earn game or actually investing in any crypto or anything online, so be sure to be careful and do your own research. So I'm just going to show you here and give you some information so you have some more knowledge on this, because obviously Gemly have started to do this, and this is going through until July the 18th, so there are a few days more remaining. If you actually do deposit funds in your Gemly account from crypto or from any other like USD, Tether or BUSD, you've got some bonuses here, obviously not from Payeer directly, but you have where you have the plus 3% there, they will actually be giving you more. If you go to the deposit section from the finance section like I just did, if you click on any one of these, I like to normally use Tron because of the low transaction fees. Okay, let's say I want to enter, for example, let's say I'm going to put $50, I'm going to have to use 631.12 Tron. Here it's telling you that you're going to receive, in this case, 50 million gems because it's $50, but you'll also receive on top of those 50 million gems another, in this case, 1.5 million gems because that is the 3% bonus as well. Okay, so this has been going on all week, and now you can still continue to do that for a few more days, so just keep that in mind. And I just wanted to bring this to your attention more than anything else. I'm not telling you to invest in the game, not in any way, but if you do, there is currently that 3% bonus where you will receive a few more gems. Yes, I have actually invested in this game myself because I believe in the project and I think that it might actually be a good investment, but that is my own opinion. It's not for you to go out there and actually do this yourself. Like I said at the start of this video, check out my Gemly video. I'm going to leave that somewhere at the top of the screen here so that you can check it out easily from the link as well. And if you actually sign up and register to the game through the link in the description below, right after you finish the very quick 2-minute tutorial, you can actually even skip the tutorial, you'll get 100,000 gems in Gemly as well. So be sure to use my link down below as well. And this is awesome because you don't actually have to play much of the game. It's neatly laid out, and you've also got like things like website surfing where you can actually even earn more gems, and that is a tip that I do recommend that you do. I do receive loads of these ads, so once you see them all, you'll actually after a few minutes receive even more ads one by one. Sometimes they're flooding in like they just did for me. Like I've got another 24 here pending where you can get more gems and experience points to level up as well. So be sure to actually check out those pay-to-click ads as well, because you'll be earning loads more gems and reaching those higher levels sooner as well. Again, this is a free play-to-earn game, no need for an investment, but if you are actually thinking about maybe depositing a little bit of funds into the game, then I suggest that you do it now instead of later, because that bonus is not going to be there forever, and it'll give you a bit more gems as well for you to spend on your mercenary power to defeat the monsters and earn even more crypto or fiat currencies as well. So that is all that I wanted to tell you today. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.